we have with us Mr. Virendra from Kanae School, which is one of the India's first green school. Sir, welcome to the summit. Please tell us more about this new initiative. What do you mean by green school?
So green school is all about where the nature is the supreme philosopher and guide. We follow law of nature, we follow the law of the land. Right? So we are using the resources in most conventional way. Right? Like about the water. We are using the water comes from the sky. We are storing the water as part of water harvesting. We are using, reusing and recycling. So there are three types of water uses. One is the white water, that is called drinking water, and the grey water for the uses for hand washing and so on, and black water is for the toilet purposes. And we are grey water is being recycled, while black water is not recycled. As far as energy is concerned, we are using solar energy. We have 20 kV photovoltaic panels here, and we are using that. And 80% work we are doing in natural light. We have one tree in every 20 students. So every green school, tree and teacher ratio are equal. So that's why we are getting pure oxygen and pure air, we call that. And every mature tree emits 24 kg oxygen during the sun time. That is enough for 20-25 students, according to doing that. Apart from that, on the basis of my model, Gujarat government has also established their 67 green schools, and they have appointed me as a mentor to mentor their 67 green schools.
So in these schools, how are students encouraged to take up more green initiatives?
The entire green schooling initiative is driven by students. Like waste management, they are doing their own. Everything is driven by students. Since last 3 years, no student has taken sick leave, because our environment is so good, so no student falls sick. This is the first success of the school. Second, the result is enhanced, because the responsibility goes to students. Like water quality checking, like air quality checking is monitored by students. And we are giving them water credit, we are giving them the carbon credit, we are giving them the cleanness credit, we do that. That's why everything like energy audit, water audit, everything is done by students. And it is displayed in the softboard chart. What is my school air quality today? Every student, every parent can know about it. After that, in the use of technology, if you ask me a question about use of technology, we are using cloud computing. We have established a server, and class 5th onward we given tablet to students. We have downloaded the e-books from NCRT and other publishers. Then we created our own video. We are also using the Google video, the animation available in the internet, and we are compiling that and we are giving to the students. And the student is doing the project as an use. So this is the real CCE, continuous comprehensive evaluation. As and when he do something, it comes to my server. If you are doing any maths activity, science activity is stored in server, and the content is evaluated by the student, by the teacher, and the mark is given. So this is we are using technology to enhance the CCE, real CCE on our own. We are not using any company's model X, Y, and Z. We have just developed on our own.
And sir, do you also face any challenges while implementing such innovative tools and initiatives in the school?
See, as far as concerned challenges, we have not faced any kind of challenges, because we have included parents, we have included students, we have included in the surrounding community in the process of change. So we have not faced the resistance. So now that like one example, green storytelling. My every student has to tell 2 green stories to their neighbors, and neighbor has to sign that I heard this story and I like it, and I am giving mark of that. He is telling the story of the tree and the crow, whatever our method is. And the second one, life skill. Life skill, CBSE has introduced life skill because it was missing. Our indigenous schooling system is include life skill. We respect. We already respect. In our Indian culture, respect is part of that. So, because since the last 20 years, it was missing in society, that's why CBSE has introduced life skill. So, we are already creating good human being rather than the meritorious student. And I'm sure that every student is responsible for the student, and we are taking decision keeping the nature in mind.
And sir, in current scenario, how important do you think is teachers training?
Teachers training, like my 50% teachers are green teachers. They are trained by the Commonwealth Diploma of Green Teachers. So when we think about green teachers, means they are sensitive toward nature. They don't teach anything that goes against nature. They don't accept anything that goes against nature. Teachers training, the Indian context that is requires like CCE in the student, we need one more CCE for the teachers also. Teachers need continuous motivation and leadership. As I told you, this summit, the leadership or the subject. In my school, I don't I'm not only one leader. My entire team is a leader. Like I am appointed as a mentor to green schools. So my students, my teachers are also going to train other schools. So they are also leaders. So we have a team of leaders having diverse set of mind and working the common cause, empowering students toward better tomorrow. That's it.
All right, sir. It certainly is a very great initiative for making the world a better place. All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure having you here.